First of all, I try to pray on the lotus feet of my master, Sri Thakur and Gurchandra. So today, we like to discuss about how the music and the song that have the impact on the spiritual growth and the physical enlightenment of the human life. So there are two types of songs are there. So one is it is the prayer, that is the version that we are doing, it is on the sitting positions. The one type of song that we are singing, that is called the kirtan, that we are standing and dancing, and the dancing mode that also we are doing. So that song that we are uttering, that is, there are two things happens when some person, whether it is hearing or it is listening, that is also important. Hearing means it is the process of perceiving the impact of the sound. But listening means the hearing the sound with attentions. Means when and the consciousness, when he understands through his mind, and hearing and analyzing through the brain, that is called the listening. So when we listen, so there are two things happens. So this music and this song that create the vibration, that create the sound. The sound is the vibrations. That sound, it goes through our ear, and that will create the vibrations on the ear lobes, and that vibration create impulses and reaches to our brain. So that's why we understand that what is the intense, what is the meaning of this music or the song. So you might have heard that so many musics has been developed to bring the peace in the mind, and also so many things are developed to for the sleeping, for the peacefulness, for the to release the stress. There is so many kinds of music or the vibration that is created, because our brain create everything, and it is the vibrational modes. So in the brain, that is the vibration is there, and in our brain, that is 1500 crores of the brain cells, neuron cells, or nerve cells are present. And at the same time, our body is also having nearly 50 trillions of the cells. All these cells, it is the very microscopic particles, and the cells in the brain are the fine cells. So that the brain cells is having the finer vibrations, the finer motions, finer vibrations. So one of the part of the brain that is called the pineal gland is the highest vibrating center in the brain, and that is the spiritual center that is called the third. So these vibrations, it arises from the sound. And as we know, as my master showed, so all this universe is created from the sound. The Big Bang theory or the cosmic theory also, and the concept of the Sri Thakur also. This universe is created from the big sounds, and everything is created from the sound. And whatever we see around this universe, that is the condensed form of the sound. So that's why it is important for our physical and spiritual sensations. As we know, we have the 6 senses. So these 5 senses is the material senses or physical senses, that is one sense, that is the spiritual senses, and it is important for the spiritual senses of our body. So these 6 senses are activated through this music and the song. And as Sri Thakur said, so this bhajan, that is when we are uttering the bhajans. So when somebody is singing, so at that time he or she is doing the pranayam. You know, the yoga and the pranayam, that is very important part of the aspects of the life. So that is called as the pranayam. So when we are singing, we are doing indirectly, we are doing the pranayam. And where we are doing the kirtan, means singing with dancing, that means we are doing the vyam, exercise. So these two are the very important aspects of our life. So that's why in the many devotees or many organizations, they are having the kirtan and bhajan in the morning and evening also. There are two times in the empty stomach when we are doing this type of activities that create a lot of impacts to our body. That create a lot of impact to our body. So we know, so this sometimes when we are blowing the somewhere sometimes the heart diseases, the lungs diseases, that can be cleared by this continuous uttering of the singing. By the singing, that we can clear the many lungs diseases. So one more thing is that will create the normal exercise and the kirtan, that is give the present. So then when we are singing, that is also pranayam. So that pranayam it creates the excitement in our body. It is not like that previous pranayam. And when the bhajan, when the kirtan, that is also the exercise, but it creates excitement in our physically and that is in the spiritually, both senses are active. So as we know, though, when we are offering our prayer, our love to the love lords or to the God, when we are approaching to the gods, that is the many way to approach the God, that is by the song, by the kirtan, by the nama, by the japa and dhyana, by the meditation, and by offering the bhoga, and by doing some work for them and doing for the society also, we are doing for the God. So that is the impact of the music and the song in the spiritual and physical enlightenment of the life. Thank you. Please subscribe.